Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, AG&B Motorsports, and today we are going to be super cleaning the wheels on my 135i. But before I do that, I'm going to show you how we're going to actually get this accomplished. So I'm going to show you the tools and accessories that I'm going to be using to get this job completed. Alright guys, so these are the tools and accessories that we're going to be using to get this super clean wheel job complete. And what we have here, we have a drill brush, we have with some drill brush attachments, we have a wheel scrubber, we have our McGuire's wheel and tire cleaner that we're also going to be using. We have Zep heavy duty citrus cleaner, and basically I've put some of this concentrated cleaner inside of this bottle, and I've mixed up some water and solution in this bucket as well. So obviously we're going to be using this to like scrub in between the spokes. This white drill brush attachment is the softer one. This is probably where we're going to use on the back side of the barrels and on the face of the wheel as well. We do have a yellow one for and it's a lot more stiffer, but kind of want to stay away from using these if your wheels are not super dirty, because it can scratch the surface and the barrel of the wheel. So use at your own discretion. We're also going to be using this ball attachment to get inside the on the back side corners of the wheel, where the spokes are, where some of those rounded parts of the wheel are. We're going to be using this to get in there. So yeah, this is all the tools that we're going to use to go ahead and get these wheels super clean. So let's get into it. Now, as you guys can see, the wheels on my 135i are quite dirty, and so what we are going to do is we're going to take the wheels off, and we're going to clean the backside of the barrels with a drill brush. And these are the front wheels. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, this wheel is quite dirty, and what we're going to do is we're going to hit it with our McGuire's wheel and tire cleaner, and then I'm going to scrub it a little bit, and then we're going to hit it with the Zep citrus cleaner. So that's what we're going to do right now. And also look at the backside. Look how dirty the backside of this wheel is. So what we're going to do is we're just going to hit it. First, we also want to take our little toothbrush that we have right here, and then we want to get all in between where the lug nuts go. Okay, next we want to dump our wheel cleaning tool inside of our water and Zep cleaning solution that we have, just to get it a little bit more cleaner on there. And then what you want to do, you definitely want to just scrub just like this. we want to do now is we're going to turn our wheel to the back side, spray all on the inside of this barrel. Let it soak for a little bit as well. And then now what we want to do, we're going to get our drill brush attachment with the white attachment, and then I kind of just dip it in my little solution right here, and then just going to hit the inside of the barrel. Just going to hit the inside of the barrel just like this. Now, as you guys can see, the wheel is looking pretty clean. So what we want to do, we don't want to let this stuff sit on here too long. I'm going to have to definitely scrub it again because it's going to leave behind some residue. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and get the water hose now. And now I'm just going to hit it with the water hose and get all this crap off the wheels. You guys can just see how the crap is coming off of the wheel. And guys, that looks like 1,000 times better. Yes, the wheels are old. They still have like minor dirt spots and stuff on them, but as you can see, what they look like before and what they look like now, it's pretty much like a day and night difference. So now that we're pretty much done with this wheel, we're going to go to the front and clean the front wheels. And obviously I'm doing this cleaning right here. I'm not going to show you how to do all 4 wheels because the process is obvious that you complete the same process for all 4 wheels, front and back. So I'm only just doing the driver's side for the sake of the video. Guys, what I also like to do, I also like to just hit these calipers up with the drill brush, spray them down with some degreaser, and just hit them up with the drill brush, splash them with some water real quick. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do right now. calipers look a hell of a lot better now. Okay guys, so pretty much I decided I was going to take my little ball attachment brush thing, or whatever you want to call this thing, and we're going to try to get in these round edges with the with this attachment. So I'm going to have to put this attachment on, and then I also noticed I did have a little bit of chemical burn, so you may want to be cautious of the cleaners you use. I think maybe that Zep heavy duty citrus cleaner was probably not the move to use on these wheels, because I do notice a little bit of runoff on the front. As you can see, like right here, it's definitely got some chemical burn. So I mean, I don't think I should have used that stuff on these wheels, but we're gonna try to just see what we can do to get this cleaned up. Like I said, I really don't care about these wheels that much, because eventually I am gonna sell them, but for the sake of the video, just be sure that your chemicals that you're using are not going to cause chemical burn on your wheels. Look at how nice and clean these are. Look at the back sides. I don't know if you can see the back side because, you know, this lighting is kind of starting to, you know, sunset. But yeah, just take a look. Yeah. So guys, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this content, go ahead and give me a like on the video, or subscribe if you found value and want to see more content about my 135i that's going to be coming up soon. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.